Job evaluation. Job evaluation is a formal and systematic comparison of jobs in order to determine the worth of one job relative to another so that a wage hierarchy results. Job evaluation eliminates the following deficiencies in wage and salary payments: payment of high wages for positions that do not require great skill, effort, and responsibilities, paying beginners less than they are entitled to, giving increments without justification, deciding rates of pay based on seniority instead of ability, paying varied wages for similar jobs, payment of unequal wages on the basis of gender, race, religion, or political affiliations. Principles of a job evaluation program: rate the job, not the man. Elements selected for job evaluation should be easy to explain and few in number. The elements should be clearly defined and properly selected. Any job rating must be acceptable to employees and their supervisors. Foremen should participate in the job evaluation process. When employees are involved in their own job evaluation, maximum cooperation can be expected. Point values for each job should be discussed with the employees, not the equivalent money value. Too many occupational wages must not be established. Logical groupings should be created to restrict the number of wage levels. Basic procedure of job evaluation. The procedure of job evaluation is a comparison of the content of each job in relation to other jobs in terms of skills, responsibility, or some other requirement. Steps in a job evaluation program. The National Institute of Personnel Management has laid down the following steps to install a job evaluation program. Prepare a job description. A detailed analysis of the job requirements for success is done. Develop a job evaluation plan. The job is broken down into its component parts and elements such as education, skill, experience, communication, knowledge, etc. needed for performance are determined. Classify jobs. Points are assigned to each job based on job elements. Jobs are classified by grouping jobs into similar number of points and arranging them in a sequence in order of their value to the firm. Install the program. The program is explained to employees and put into operation. Maintain the program. Evaluation is updated to keep it current. New job types are evaluated. Advantages of job evaluation. Logical and objective method of ranking jobs. New jobs can be fitted into existing wage structure. Removes grievances arising out of differences in wages. Basis of wage negotiations. Greater uniformity in wage rates can be a basis of selection, transfer, and promotion. Detects instances where an employee is engaged in work requiring less skill than he has, pointing to a possibility of better utilization of skills. Limitations of job evaluation. Rapid change in jobs due to technology and supply and demand of skills have led to problems of deciding the actual market worth of a job. Differences exist in the way a company evaluates a job based on factors and wages offered for the skill by other companies in the geographical area. Job evaluation sometimes favors skills different from the skills favored by the market. Weaker groups are better served by a job evaluation system than the market. Job factors fluctuate because of changes in production systems, information technology, and division of labor. Some jobs are evaluated at higher pay than other jobs. Some jobs at a higher level in the organization may be evaluated lower than other jobs at a lower level in the organization. Example, a skilled machinist may be evaluated at a higher pay than a junior supervisor, even though the junior supervisor is higher in the organizational hierarchy. Such differences can cause human relations problems. In the early stages of implementation, job evaluation causes doubts, fears, and suspicion and could affect relationships. Several jobs are called red circle jobs. These jobs get higher or lower wages than determined by job evaluation. It takes a long time to install, requires specialized technical personnel, and may be costly. When job evaluation results in a substantial change in existing wage structure, implementation is slow and